Hi, I'm Laurent. Today, I will show you how to seamlessly do print and cut with Titan and LaserMaker software. Here, we have a board that has just been UV printed. Normally, the next step would be quite complicated, but with LaserMaker, it becomes simple and automatic. Let me show you the step-by-step process inside LaserMaker. Open LaserMaker and import your cut files. After importing, first select your mark point, then create a dedicated layer and set it to mark in the mode section. Don't forget this, very important. Then click Camera to preview the UV printing board on the machine. Click Start and set the mark diameter. I use 10 mm. Next, place at least 2 mark points. First one, and here is the second one. And wait for the machine to finish the data collection. Check the live camera preview on the top right corner to ensure that the selected points are correctly recognized. Once the data collection is complete, click Next Step and set the horizontal and vertical quantities. For example, I set it to 2 columns by 3 rows. Quickly review your settings, and if everything looks correct, click Start to begin the cutting process. Now, the Titan begins cutting. You can see it follows the registration marks and cut precisely along the printed shapes. Here are the finished samples. The edges are smooth, the cuts are accurate, and they perfectly match the UV print, ready for industrial production. With Titan plus LaserMaker, print and cut become straightforward and efficient. I'm Laurent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.